The next design I'm going to show you is called pine needles. And this one's pretty easy. So it's just like the pine needles on a pine tree. So what we're going to do is start with some diagonal lines that are nice and spaced apart. And all it is diagonal line making the whole time. So filling that entire section with nice spaced out diagonal lines, working your way around any objects. And then the easy thing for me to do is tilt my paper so that these diagonal lines are actually more vertical for me. And then I'm going to make diagonal lines coming up from each side. And you're going to do that on each of these diagonal lines. Now, if you space them way apart, you're going to have a lot of white space between. If you put them really close, there's not going to be much white space at all. It just depends. It also depends on how long you make your pine needles. If you point them up more at an angle, they're going to be closer. If you have them out more like this, they can take up more space. That one's pretty simple. It's called pine needles.